Hello, friends. We are going to continue with our lessons on photosynthesis. This video is going to be an introduction to help you with the next video you're going to watch on the light reactions of photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, and that's this green circle we see here. The light and the water go into the thylakoid, and two things happen. We get oxygen, but we also get energy. Now, the energy goes into the stroma, hooks up with carbon dioxide, and makes sugar. This next video coming up is about what goes on in the thylakoid membrane. It's going to seem complicated, but I'm going to point out what to pay attention to and what are the important parts of the next video. Hello, friends. What you are looking at here is a picture of the thylakoid and the thylakoid membrane. So this is the thylakoid membrane, and this is the inside of the thylakoid. Don't get this mixed up with the chloroplast. The thylakoid is inside the chloroplast. What we are looking at here is the membrane of the thylakoid, that poker chip, and what's inside. So to make something that seems kind of difficult easy, I'm going to point out the important parts. Over here, you have a thing called photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Okay? Now, here's the weird thing. This process begins in photosystem 2. And you're asking yourself, well, why isn't this photosystem 2? And why isn't this photosystem 1? And why isn't this photosystem 2? The reason is this one was discovered first. How about that? Okay? So what happens is on the thylakoid membrane, we have this process with the sunlight and the water, and these electrons move down this electron chain. And while that is happening, they're bringing these hydrogen ions into the inside of the thylakoid. Now remember, what we're watching here is how does the ADP become ATP? And very simply, these hydrogen ions leave through this ATP synthase, that means how to create ATP, and hook up with the ADP to make ATP. Up here, the electrons play a role in creating the NADP into NADPH. So guys, that's the main thing I want you to take away from this. This process is taking place in the thylakoid membrane. This is photosystem 1. This is photosystem 2, but the process begins with photosystem 2 and moves towards photosystem 1. And this part here adds phosphate to ADP to make ATP. This part here turns NADP into NADPH. So I hope my little introduction video will help you with the next video and help you to understand what's going on in the thylakoid membrane to make energy and to make oxygen. Thank you very much, and as usual, enjoy learning and have fun.